निराकरणम् अस्तु निराकरणं मे अस्तु तदात्मानि निरते य उपनिषत्सु धर्मास्ते मयि सन्तु ते मयि सन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Greetings to all from wherever you are joining. The Kena Upanishad, this is the 10th class, 10th session. This Upanishad is part of Samaveda. It has 35 mantras divided into 4 sections. Kena, also the original name is Talavakara Upanishad, Talavakara, which can be played on the beats or through the tala, it can be played. This Upanishad, it talks about the essence of all Upanishad, and also in a way it talks about the Omkara. What Omkara? The first Omkara has Om has 3 letters. A, U, Ma. A. The A means the waking state. It's Adhika. A means Adhika. It's whatever you know, the God is higher than what you think. A means Adhika. U means if you think you are trying to get, you can compare, is it better than that person? That person is a really brilliant person. It is talking about, it is so high, and U means Upari, it is higher than. You are rich. Ma means Maya. Still, you can understand about the God according to your capacity. Like going to the ocean, I can bring the ocean according to the capacity of the jar I take. So is we understand the God according to our capacity. In the first chapter, it is 9 verses are there in the first chapter. It talks about whatever we perceive through the mind, speech and senses, it is not God. It is God is far beyond what you think. And it talks about the beyond, because of that one you hear. In the second chapter, the 5 verses are there.